Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix heart rates not recording on ladder. So if your heart rate is not recording on the app, the issue is usually related to permissions, Bluetooth, syncing, or the connected wearable device. So actually guys, first you will need to make sure heart rate permissions are enabled. So on your phone you will need just to go with the phone's settings or your device settings, and here you will need to go with privacy and security that you can find at the bottom right here. Okay, so that's the option, privacy and security, and here you will need to go with health. Okay, and once you tap it you will need to go and select ladder, right? And here you will need to look for an option. It says heart rate access. Okay, so this one, heart rate, and just turn it on. And also guys, you will need to check the Apple Health or Google Fit Sync if you are using an Android. So the ladder often pulls heart rate data from the Apple Health or the Google Fit, and open the Apple Health app. Okay, so here, health, that one. Okay, so just tap on it, and now inside the app you will need to confirm that the heart rate data is actually being recorded there first. Also guys, you will need to reconnect your wearable, so disconnect and reconnect your Apple Watch, Fitbit, Garmin, Whoop, etc., and then restart both the phone and the wearable. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.